The first step towards creating a better search is to investigate your topic and read widely about the issues involved. For example, if you're interested in the use of machine learning in the healthcare field, Googling machine learning in healthcare would be a great way to start. It's a good idea to take some notes on the points that interest you the most, as well as to record some of the vocabulary that is used to describe your topic. For example, some of the notes for this topic might look like this. A possible question you might note is, can healthcare information remain private if it's used for machine learning? And possible terms include analytics, predictive algorithms, and AI. In the process of information gathering, you may also check out sources of background information, also called reference sources, from the university libraries. You may search for a particular item or concept in one search, and then select More under Content Type. Select Reference. Several dictionary and encyclopedia resources appear in the results. Now that you have a clear idea of the terms and issues associated with your topic, it'd be easier to complete an effective search. For example, select databases on the library's homepage. Select Academic Search Complete. If you're looking at possible privacy concerns with data use in healthcare, you could try this search. Within the search results, you can also find information that will improve your search. In databases like this one, using the subjects that appear under each result can be very helpful. These terms are a controlled vocabulary that the database provider uses to help categorize the articles. For example, artificial intelligence appears as a subject term. I also see medical ethics. I can add both terms as alternate keywords to the search. In addition to subject terms, looking at the titles of articles and even the abstracts can help give you additional ideas for alternative keywords or new concepts to explore. The abstract summarizes the goals and findings of the article and can be found by clicking on the article title or by selecting the magnifying glass to the right of each article record. If you find a helpful article, you can also branch out to other sources by checking to see what other sources are cited within it. Open the full text of the article and scroll down to the end to take a look at the references section. If you are interested in one of the articles listed, copy and paste the article title into the library's OneSearch search box. In cases like this one, where the title is very short, it would be a good idea to also include one or two of the author's names in the search. In certain databases, as well as OneSearch, cited by tools are available that let you branch out from a particular article. The cited by tool allows you to find articles that were published after the article and cited it. For example, selecting Cited By here will produce a list of articles that cited artificial intelligence in healthcare. Note that none of these tools is perfect, and there may be other articles that cited the original article as well, but it's a great way to branch out into new sources. If you have any questions about how to improve your search, reach out and let us know with our Ask a Librarian services linked on the library's homepage. Chat, text, call, email, stop by the reference desk, or make an appointment with a librarian.